weather on NBC 10 Boston, Boston's most accurate forecast.
So, Sydney, we had some rain tonight. What can we expect tomorrow?
Well, tomorrow more rain is on the way and the potential for a few storms. Honestly, the next 10 days we have a lot of rain chances, and some of them towards the end of the week coming from what is now Hurricane Debbie. First time calling it Hurricane Debbie because as of the 11 o'clock advisory, it is now officially a hurricane before likely making landfall somewhere along the Big Bend of Florida. And then it is at this time riding kind of on the east of this track, kind of right on the east line of this track. But we'll see once it makes landfall, it could then equal out and start being more in the middle. But by the time Tuesday morning rolls around, it's going to be making its way into Georgia. And then it's going to be lingering over Georgia and South Carolina for quite some time, dropping very heavy rain at times and potentially seeing some historical numbers there as far as rain totals from Debbie as it does move very slowly. So as this occurs, it is going to start to weaken over land. That's what happens. You remove the warm water source, you start to lose some of that strength from this system, and it will start to fan out. That's when we are going to start to see rain chances from this system. Definitely for parts of Friday, clouded up and seeing rain in spots. But then beyond that, it's going to be a big question mark on where the actual center of circulation is going to be heading and how soon it does make a dive back out to sea. So definitely expect rain for Friday from this system and potentially into Saturday and even parts of Sunday. But we'll be watching closely as we go through our next couple of days. So over a foot of rainfall expected for the coast of Georgia and South Carolina. For us here locally, as things play out, if they do play out where this system does stay a bit to the south and then go back out to sea, we'll see 2 to 3 inches of rain in spots, and some of us only getting in on 1 to 2 inches. But if that center of circulation does make it overhead, we could see some gusty winds and definitely could see some higher rain totals than that. But let's talk about the rain we saw this evening. There was heavy rain in spots. Now things lightening up quite a bit, seeing some rain over parts of the islands. Martha's Vineyard getting in on some rain showers and just south of Manchester, also seeing some rain in spots. The rest of the overnight hours, though, are looking mainly dry. We're going to completely dry things out, but by tomorrow afternoon, a few storms will be popping up. Now, coverage won't be all that impressive, but what does pop up tomorrow is going to be a hot and a humid one, so we could easily see a few severe thunderstorm warnings in southern New Hampshire and for parts of central Massachusetts as well. Then Tuesday, more rain will be coming our way, and Tuesday is looking like a wet one. So going through the day tomorrow, temperatures make their way to the low 90s. It's going to feel like the low and middle 90s during those peak afternoon hours when you do factor in humidity. And then in the evening, we're still going to be at 82 degrees. That's what it'll feel like even by 10 o'clock tomorrow night. But we are finally going to see some 60s for lows. That's a good sign we're starting to lose that humidity. High temperatures the next couple of days in the middle and upper 70s. We're going to be staying there with rain chances staying with us Tuesday, Wednesday. And then the question mark comes in once we get into Friday, Saturday, and Sunday on how much rain you can expect. But it does look like it will be staying cooler for the 10-day forecast. We'll be right back after this.